Okay, one more thing I want to try for outside. We're going to make bird feeders. So you need toilet paper rolls. I've got some bird seed here. This is a mixed kind. This one is black seeds. The cardinals like this kind. And another mixed kind. It's a little bit smaller. Okay, you're going to need some peanut butter and some string, some scissors to cut the string, and a knife. Okay, here we go. So I'm going to scoop into my peanut butter, get lots on there, and I'm gonna rub it all over my toilet paper roll. Now if you don't have bird seed, I will look up and see if there's anything that anything else you can put on it that you might already have in your house. I just got this bird seed from the dollar store because we have lots of bird feeders in our yard and the birds seem to like it. Okay, so you're gonna get that peanut butter all over there. Oh my. All right. Okay, now I'm gonna start with the small seed, and you're just gonna roll it around. See how it's sticking to it? Roll it. Get it all covered in seed. Okay, now I'm gonna take my string and I'm gonna cut a piece. This is how we're gonna hang it in the tree. So probably long. I'm gonna put it through. There it is. Okay, like that. And then we're just gonna tie it in a knot. And that's it. So this is ready to hang in my tree. And the birdies can eat. I'm gonna make a few more and then I'll show you where I hang them.
Okay, so I put one here. I put one, oh, 40, cool it, way over there. And I put another one up here. I don't know if you can see that hanging in my tree there. Okay, so I got 3 different kinds. 3 different places, and we will see if the birdies come in.